Hello, welcome back. I hope you guys can have the source code and also with the dataset ready for our next section. Okay, so for the first step, you guys have to load the dataset to our environments. So let me show how to do the first things. When you generate a new Python code in Colab, which is provided by Google, so first things you have to upload your dataset to cloud environments, because you run your source code in the cloud, not your own computer or notebook. So you have to upload the dataset which I provide to you. Okay, how to upload your dataset to Google? So you have to choose these folders, this one here. Also, so right now is connecting and to start environments on the cloud. Okay, so right now it's ready. Okay, so the first thing is you have to connect the environment with your Google Drive. 你的云端硬碟. Okay, how to connect to your Google Drive? You can click by this icon. Okay, so it will connect to your Google Drive. It will ask your permission to access your Google Drive. Okay, so connect to Google Drive. So right now it's mounting to your Google Drive. Now, it may take some time. Okay, so it's okay. So you may see here, the drive, it means it have automatically connect to your Google Drive. You may have some instruction here to get some source, the keywords to access. So you may follow the instructions. Okay, so first things, you have to click My Drive. Since My Drive is a Colab notebook, so all the data will save in this folder in Google Cloud. You have to generate a new folder, this one, to generate a new folder. So you may generate a new folder as data, D-A-T-A, because I have generated the data folder before, so you can do the same kind of jobs. Okay, so I have the different names. Okay, so you just have the data, is okay. It's okay? Okay, so when you have the data folder ready, so you have upload your data to the cloud. This one here, more, upload. So you may go to the folders we have just created, this one. The folder is this one, WA use case marketing command value, this one. Okay, upload. Okay, so you will upload to your data. So it may take some time to uploading your data. Okay, so let me check if the data set is ready or not. So it starts with this one. Okay, marketing customer value analyzed. Let me check if it's correct or not. Customer value analyzed. Yeah, yes. Okay. So the next step is to import the data set. So let us go back to our spiders environments list one. Okay. So you may copy all the descriptions from these statements. Okay, so first things you have to import the data set we are going to use. We have to import 2 packages for Python. Okay, so just copy line 118 and 119, these 2 source code. Okay, so just copy, and here you may generate a new source code cell, this one. How to run this cell? You just click this, it will run this source code like in the spiders. Okay, so the next step, we are going to have some class node for our source code. Just copy this one, because it is a text file. Just copy. So you notice here. So right now we are going to load the data. Okay, so for the data you have to upload to read the data, so you use these instructions, read CSV file. So you just copy these 3 lines, copy, go back to our core lab here, just copy it. Don't forget. Okay. When you copy all the data, so you have keep in mind, you may get some errors because you have to change the path for our data set, because my dataset path is different as your path. So you have to go back to the files you just upload, this one. Don't forget to copy the path. You have to copy the path, and to replace the path and the files, to replace my source code, Control V. Okay, so run the data set. So you may find the data set with 9,000 observations with 24 variables. Okay, try it. If you may get some error message like this way. If you didn't give any path and only just to have the data set name, so you may get error messages. Okay, so you may check the error messages. it shows fire, not found error, because the editor doesn't know the path for your source code, for your dataset. Okay? So you have to copy the path from here. Copy the path. Okay, so you just replace this one. Control V and rerun the instructions. Got it? Okay? This step is most important because if you can't import the dataset, you cannot do any business analytics in the future. Okay? So try it.